Okay, friends. So we have been using the word greater or bigger, which uses this sign. So the greater side is pointing this way because if I have a number here, I would say 3 is greater than 1. So the mouth points this way, the open. So less is the opposite. So less than is smaller, and the little side is pointing this way, and we have the big side pointing this way because we would say 1 is less than 3. All right, so let's put this into action a little bit. Here I have the numbers 371 and 827. So I have to look at my hundreds place first and decide which one is greater or less. So this one is greater. So I have a trick for you. You're going to use 2 dots for the greater side. So I'm going to use 2 dots here and 1 dot here on the less side. And I'm going to connect them to make a Pac-Man. Okay? Because if I say this using my less, because I ended up using a less than sign, these two match. 371 is less than 827. All right, let's try that again. I'm going to use the numbers 862 and 325. So I'm going to start in my hundreds place and I'm going to compare those two. 8 and 3, which one is greater? Which one is bigger? 8 is greater, which means the whole number is greater. So this side is going to get 2 dots this time. This one is going to get 1, and I'm going to connect them. And now my opening is this way. Now I have the sign that matches this one, and it's 862 is greater than 325. All right, let's get a little trickier now. I'm going to use the numbers 436 and 458. So I'm going to start with my hundreds and compare those two, 4 and 4. Those are the same, so I can't use those to compare. So I have to go next to my 3 and my 5. So 3 and 5, which one is greater? The 5 is greater, so this whole number is greater. So I'm going to use 2 dots, one over here, and I'm going to connect them to make a Pac-Man. And now 458 is the greater number. So I would use my less word. 436 is less than 458, which makes sense. All right, we're going to do one more before you guys are off and practicing. All right, so I'm going to start in my hundreds place, 9 and 9. Those are the same though, so I have to keep going to my tens place, 0 and 0. Those two are also the same. So what do you think I'm going to have to do next? I'm going to go to my ones place, 4 and 1. 4 and 1, my 4 is greater. So this side is going to get the 2 dots. This side is going to get 1 dot. And I'm going to connect the dots now and make a Pac-Man. And now 904 is greater than 901. And that's it. So you are going to practice on your seesaw assignment. If you are still having trouble, watch the video again and see if you understand. And if you still don't understand the video, do your other seesaw or reflex work and wait for small groups. And at small groups, I will answer all of your questions and we can keep practicing. Good luck, friends.